Best book to learn how to talk to a girl, bonus at the end. Have you ever seen a girl you wanted to talk to but felt nervous? Maybe you made eye contact and instead of saying something, you looked away fast, pretending you weren't interested. If that sounds like you, don't worry, I got you. Today I'm going to teach you how to confidently approach a girl and say hi without feeling awkward or weird. And stick around because at the end I'm giving you a bonus tip that most guys don't know, but it works like magic. Step 1. Master eye contact and body language. This is where everything starts. Did you know that over 70% of communication is non-verbal? That means before you even open your mouth, your eyes, posture and movement tell her everything she needs to know about you. Let's break it down. The eye contact trick. Imagine you're walking down the street and you see a girl. Naturally, you look at her. Now, if she looks back at you, what do? Wrong move. You panic, look away quickly and act like you weren't looking. This makes you seem nervous or unsure of yourself. Right move. You hold eye contact for a second or two before casually looking away or giving a small nod. This shows confidence. Why does this work? Because confident people don't shy away from eye contact. Studies show that people who maintain eye contact appear more attractive and trustworthy. The power of a simple nod. After holding eye contact, add a small gesture. A simple sup nod, a slight upward head nod, makes a huge difference. Why? It makes you look approachable and relaxed instead of intense or creepy. It signals to her that you're aware of her presence and open to conversation. Many guys miss this simple trick, but it makes eye contact more natural and inviting. Fix your body language. Your body should say, I'm confident and comfortable. Stand up straight. Good posture makes you instantly more attractive. If you're walking and see her, angle your body slightly toward her instead of keeping your shoulders stiff and forward. Avoid fidgeting or crossing your arms. This makes you seem closed off. Why this works? Science-backed facts. Studies show that people with open body language are seen as more friendly and confident. Eye contact releases oxytocin, the chemical that helps people feel connected. Women are subconsciously attracted to guys who appear relaxed and in control of their body language. Bonus tip: the 2-second rule that boosts confidence. Here's a secret trick that instantly stops nervousness. The 2-second rule. Whenever you see a girl you want to talk to, give yourself only 2 seconds to take action. If you hesitate too long, your brain will start making excuses. She probably has a boyfriend. What if she ignores me? I'll do it next time. Instead, train yourself to act within 2 seconds, whether it's making eye contact, giving a nod, or saying hi. This simple rule eliminates overthinking and helps you build confidence fast. Final thoughts. If you want to be great at approaching girls, practice these steps daily. You don't need to say much. Just eye contact, a nod, and open body language can change everything. The more natural it will feel. So next time you see a girl you want to talk to, don't overthink it. Just go for it. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and share this with your friends.